Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by capturing a clean source voice because the AI learns best from clarity. Use a 44. 1 KHZ mic and record 2 minutes of neutral speech. Once done, pick the target voice sample or preset. This defines timbre and prosody. Install the chosen AI tool or open the web service, then upload your file. Make sure to set input gain low enough to avoid clipping, since distorted audio ruins model performance and wastes processing time. Now you configure the model by uploading source and labeled target clips, because accurate labels let the AI map features correctly. Next, tweak pitch and format controls to match natural resonance. If available, adjust timing to keep speech rhythm intact. Use short 10-20 second previews to iterate quickly and hear how changes affect intelligibility. Once happy, choose real-time transform for live use or batch export for higher quality WAV files, and set bitrate and channel options. Finish by exporting the transformed audio at a high bitrate so subtle details survive compression. Then audition a /B comparisons to ensure the voice preserves clarity and character. If you hear robotic artifacts or mispronunciations, apply gentle EQ and noise reduction, because that can mask glitches without changing identity. If problems persist, retrain the model using cleaner, more varied samples. This is the one troubleshooting step that usually
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.